Hey there, what is up you guys? I am Jerry and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. This is the show where I share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes for the Weber Q. If you think that I could help you out, hit the like button and subscribe. Today on the channel, I'll be grilling up chicken thighs. It's something that I've done several times before on the channel, but I've never done it with this, which is this little goat went to the Yucatan everything sauce. It's one sauce in a line of sauces created by Chicago celebrity chef Stephanie Izard. I've tried several of these on the channel before, but I've never tried this Yucatan one before. And I thought it would go particularly well on chicken because it's described as bright citrus meets savory garlic, onion, and chiles. So let's go try it out. Today on the channel, I'll be grilling up these 5 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. The Yucatan sauce does the heavy lifting today, so there's not much prep involved. Just a light layer of oil and some salt and pepper. Go easy on the seasonings because there's going to be plenty of salt and pepper in the bottled sauce. That's it for the prep, so let's fire up the grill. Today I'm cooking on my Weber Q 1200. It has been preheating with an optional smoke pouch. Now adjust your gas knob at this point to a low heat, and when you are ready, go ahead and lay your chicken thighs directly across the grill grates, starting with the bone side down. We'll turn these chicken thighs over a number of times during this cook, and when things are all said and done, these bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs will be on the Q for about 15 or 16 minutes total. But we'll get there in just a bit. Once all your chicken thighs are on your barbecue, go ahead and shut the lid and let them cook on this first side for about 3 minutes. And after the first 3 minutes, open up your lid once again and turn over all your chicken thighs with the skin side now facing down on the grill grates. Because we added a little bit of oil to our chicken thighs, just be careful of any flare-ups. Continue turning all your chicken until all your chicken thighs have been flipped. And of course, like always, once that's done, shut the lid and let these continue to cook. Grill your chicken thighs skin side down for about 5 minutes, which will bring us to about 8 minutes of elapsed cooking time. Then at this point, open your lid and turn your chicken back to the bone side facing down. Once again, and as always, being mindful and aware of avoiding these flare-ups. Continue turning all the rest of your chicken thighs, and once they've been all flipped back over, shut the lid and let them cook for 5 more minutes, bringing us to a total of 12 to 13 minutes of cook time at this point. The thighs are close to done at this point, so let's begin the saucing process. First, we're going to once again turn all our thighs so that the bone side is facing up and the skin side is facing down. Then grab this little goat went to the Yucatan sauce and baste it pretty liberally on that bone side up. Now, I will point out at this point that this cooking and saucing technique for chicken thighs is the same exact method that I use for my maple bourbon chicken thighs. And I'm only pointing that out now because I know that this little goat went to the Yucatan sauce might not be available for all of you viewers out there. So just know that this technique is interchangeable for all sorts of sauces. Anyways, now that the bone side has been sauced, I'm going to shut the lid and let that set for about 90 seconds. Don't go too far, 90 seconds pass by pretty quickly, and once it does, open the lid and turn all your chicken thighs back over so that the skin side is facing up. Now, depending on the kind of sauce you use, you may once again need to try to avoid some flare-ups. This little goat went to Yucatan sauce does contain some oil, so when you turn the chicken over, you need to be careful to not let the oil drip directly on the burner tubes. You want your sauce to set, you don't want your sauce to burn. That said, once everything is turned over, brush a layer of sauce on the skin side Then you could shut the lid and let this set for about 90 seconds. And finally, here we are 90 seconds later for a total of about 16 minutes of total cook time on our Weber Q. We want to temperature check our chicken thighs. Remember, the target for chicken is 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which is approximately 74 degrees Celsius. I was just a touch over that target today, but that's okay. Chicken thighs are extremely forgiving on the grill, unlike other parts of chicken like the breast, where you really want to be right on to prevent it from drying out. Anyways, let's have a look. Now, this looks absolutely delicious, doesn't it? It sure smells delicious, but we're not quite ready to serve this yet. Chef Izard actually recommends making a topping out of this. And she does this by mixing approximately equal parts mayonnaise and equal parts Yucatan sauce. I'm not going to question a Top Chef winner, so I did the same thing right here. And so now I will add this aioli topping to all of my chicken thighs. I need like a squeeze bottle instead of a spoon to make this look a little bit better. But you know what? I'm sure this is going to be absolutely tremendous. Serve this up with your choice of toppings, but because this is a south of the border style sauce, I'm going to serve this up with some elote as well as some refried beans. So how good does this look for a weeknight dinner? Needless to say, that dinner looked amazing and we couldn't wait to dive into it. So no on-camera taste test today, but I'll tell you how the sauce went with that chicken. And this Yucatan sauce was a perfect complement. It really reminded me of a mole sauce, but it was probably a little bit sweeter and it was not as thick. The mayonnaise aioli that I used to top the chicken was a great complement to the dish as well, as it added some creaminess and some texture to the overall dish. Now, I'm not really sure if this sauce is available internationally, but I know it's available domestically on Amazon or on Stephanie Izard's restaurant's website. I'll link both down below. If you have a chance, I definitely encourage you to check out this sauce or any others in the This Little Goat series. Let me know in the comment section down below which one is your favorite. Thank you very much as always for watching today. If you enjoyed this channel and the content of the show, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribed. Thanks again for stopping by today. I'll see you all again next week. Bye now.